Alright, welcome to my second video of Relearning Roblox scripting. Today I will be going over functions and arguments. So let me start by just making a simple function, and I think that's how I make it. Yeah. Let's call the function. I think it should work. And yeah, it did, easy enough. Now I want to mess around with arguments a little bit. So let's add A and B. Let's print A and B, and let's say B is 1 and 2, so prints 1 and 2. Okay, let's make it even more complicated. Let's do equals and let's return the value. Okay, so I never used return before in Lua, so I'm just taking the knowledge, at least in Roblox. So I'm taking the knowledge from Python and Love2D. Well, anyways, so I think I should be able to print the function. I think so. Let's give the values of 2 and 2. Yeah, it works. Okay, nice. I wanted to do something else that I don't remember. Oh yeah. What if I removed local? I want to retest that. I think it's just I can use the value out of the function, and no, it seems that's not how it works. Oh yeah, wait, I didn't. Okay, wait a second. Yeah, I didn't make any value. So let's call the function first and pass some arguments. 2 and 2 again. Oh yeah, that works. Nice. Okay, so finally now I understand the difference between using local and not using it at all. Honestly, I don't think I will use it. I will rarely use it, most likely in a function. Okay, I think that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.